Welcome to the Agents Management section. Here you can configure all AI voice agents for your sales operation. Notice 4 default agents ready to use. Scroll down to find pre-built templates for common use cases. Using templates is recommended over building completely from scratch. To create a brand new agent, click the plus icon. The Agent Settings modal opens instantly. You can specify the agent name, select primary language from over 100 choices, and choose gender. Next, select between real-time or pipeline operational modes, depending on performance needs. Let's edit an existing agent named Mika instead. Click her edit icon to view active configurations. Her language is currently set to Hebrew. Click the language drop-down to browse available global locales. Let's search for English options. Multiple regional accents are supported, including British, American, Canadian, and Australian English. Selecting English US optimizes tone for North American target audiences. Now let's examine model architectures. Under the Real-Time tab, you can choose ultra-low latency models. The recommended Gemini Live Flash model provides fast, native audio output. You can also select GPT Real-Time or Grok options. Real-time models deliver high-speed, human-like conversational turns. Alternatively, select Pipeline mode for separate LLM and TTS setup. Choose an LLM model like Gemini 2.5 Flash. Then choose text-to-speech providers such as Cartesia Sonic or 11 Labs. This architecture gives modular control over response generation and voice synthesizer engines. Switching back to real-time mode, select a voice profile like Core. You can preview voice audio samples directly in the panel before saving. Click Voice Style to refine tone and conversational mannerisms. This section defines emotional responsiveness, pitch modulation, filler words, and natural speech pauses. Fine-tuning these prompts ensures your AI agent sounds authentic, empathetic, and professional during sales calls. Under Advanced Settings, keep Enable Noise Cancellation active to minimize background noise. Click Save Agent to commit all changes. Use the search bar and filter controls to quickly locate agents by gender or language. Next episode, we will cover workflows to structure call logic.